When we all get to heaven, what a day of rejoicing that will be. When we all see Jesus, we will sing and shout victory.
So for the ending I did on this song, I kind of went get it. So I just simply went from 3, flat 3 to the 2, then I played this as a pass, entered my 5, ran this arpeggio, then landed on my 1. That's what I just did. So let me break it step by step. So this is the 3, and on my left hand, remember we're in the key of G, so the 3 is B on my left hand, and on my right hand I'm playing A, D, and F sharp, and that is the D major chord second inversion. So that is A, D, and F sharp. Okay, but I'm kind of doing, you understand, just like leading into the chord. Then go down to the flat 3, and the flat 3 on my left hand, let's say A sharp on my left hand, and I'm playing G sharp, C sharp, and let me say F on my right hand. Okay, then I slide down, so everything is going like half steps down, chromatically down. So I slide down to my 2, that's from the flat 3. I slide down to my 2, and the 2 here is A on my left hand, and I'm playing the C major chord second inversion on my right hand, which is G, C, E. Okay, and I did this, that leads to the 5. So I'm playing the C major chord, I'm just keeping everything constant. This is the C major chord second inversion, but right now I played the root position of the C major chord and use it as a pass to the 5. So I'm sliding down to the B here. I hope you get the point. I'm sliding down from the C to the B here. So as I'm playing that B major chord, I'm hitting the 5 on my left hand, which is D. So that is on my right hand I'm playing B, D sharp, and F sharp, and on my left hand I'm playing D. So as I do that, I kind of run an arpeggio just to keep that space covered. So the arpeggio is still the B major chord, it's just broken down, and that is F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp, and just like that. So slowly, okay? And you want to make sure your pedal is down so that you can hit this D. You understand? So that the D can be sounding as you're running the arpeggio all along. Then you now land on your 1, which is the G. Hope you get it. So that is it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later.